How can you search the Apple Watch but from the iPhone? Let me show you all of the ways and the things you should know about it. If you're new here on this channel, think about subscribing because there are so many tutorials and videos coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So the first method is by locating the Watch app on your iPhone. So you can find it like that, and in here you can access basically all of the things which are part of the watch. Like all of the apps can be seen right here. You can literally uninstall the existing apps or perhaps install some of the available apps. You can tweak and change the settings and even check out like the view, like app view, and you can literally just change the arrangement like this on the iPhone, so you can literally find all of the apps, organize it, and do whatever you need. However, if you want to search your Apple Watch in a different sense, meaning that you control it directly on the iPhone, that is a slightly different feature, and it's no longer part of the Watch app on the iPhone, but instead you need to find it in the main settings app. And the thing which I'm referring to is the Apple Watch screen mirroring. It is part of the settings, then accessibility features, and you'll be able to go there and essentially enable it with a toggle at the top. And it just means that your screen will be shown on the iPhone screen. So you can see it at the same time. It's just, the same thing on both devices, and you can control it from the iPhone. So if you for some reason want to do it from the iPhone screen, you can literally move around, tap on apps, and use the Apple Watch. Normally set up anything that you want, search for something, right? So you can do it directly from the iPhone. Now, let me know in the comments below if we managed to help you out with this. Subscribe for more upcoming tutorials and stay tuned for, videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.